In this lesson, we're going to learn how to create grid lines. One of the first things we need to do when designing a new project is to insert the grid lines. Grid lines are the reference on which the elements of the building are positioned. To create grid lines, we make sure that the current view shows a floor plan. We can see in the project browser that the current view is the level 0 floor plan view. In the Architecture tab, in the Datum panel, we click the Grid button. In the Context tab, we select the Line Draw tool. And in the Options bar, we set the offset to 0. We start drawing the grid lines. We first draw the vertical grid lines at spacings of 5000 millimeters. In total, we draw 4 vertical grid lines. Then we draw the horizontal grid lines. At spacings of 5000 millimeters. When we finish, we click the Modify button to terminate the command. To trim the ends of the grid lines, we click on one end of the grid line and we drag it. We observe that the ends of all grid lines in the same direction are dragged automatically. To change the label of a grid line, we first select it. We can observe in the instance properties that the name of the grid line is 5. We enter the new name, which is A, and we click the Apply button. We can see that the new name appears in the grid line bubble. In this lesson, we learned how to create grid lines. This concludes the lesson.